Are you looking for an outstanding value in a vehicle? Well, with this good-looking 2010 Mercedes-Benz MIL 354 you are going to get it. This MIL 354 is nicely equipped with features such as memory package, steel gray metallic, black watt per megabyte text leather seat trim, 115 VAC power outlet, auto-dimming driver and rear view mirrors, brushed aluminum running boards with rubber studs, Coleman system with AM/FM WB CD player, heated front seats, iPod MP3 media interface, power folding mirrors, power liftgate, power moonroof, power steering column, premium rear view camera, and with leather multi-function steering. Wheel designated by Consumer Guide as a recommended premium mid-size SUV in 2010, this vehicle has just been inspected and serviced in our factory-authorized Mercedes-Benz service department, and is ready for immediate delivery.